work smarter, not harder, by having issues and exceptions come to you via email alerts. Oh, it looks like I only have 2 weeks of inventory left in these items. I'd better order some more before we run out. It's easy to set up an alert email using the Enterprise Edition. Simply open any one of the inbuilt favourite reports. Add a filter to pick up only what you want to see. I set this to 2 weeks of inventory cover, but you may need a warning when you are down to 2 months of inventory in stock. Then save your new favourite. Choose how often you want the alert to run and pop in the email address for it to be sent to. That's it. If there are no inventory items running low, you simply don't get an email. BIforMYOB also lets you spot sales trends and respond quickly. Which customers have stopped buying? Footloose, one of our best customers, stopped buying in December, January. To see the trend more easily, view it as a line graph. We contacted them, offered them an incentive to make a bulk purchase, and you can see some big orders came in March. Do you have too many customers to see an individual trend like this? Then look at your business at a higher level. Analyse by salesperson to compare their performance. Analyse by salesperson. Use the custom lists in MYOB to summarise your customers by, say, market segment. See, the retail market really slowed down after Christmas. Use the item custom lists in MYOB to identify brands that are underperforming. Now that you know the big picture trend, go back to see the data as a table to get into the nitty-gritty of the problem. Group your customers by market segment and then filter to only see retailers. Now let's understand what items are selling. To see your top sellers, simply sort on the column heading. To see what items each customer is buying, group by customer and resort. Imagine what trends are happening in your business that you don't know about until it's too late. Instantly know your top customers by sorting on total sales. But don't forget your best customers are often the ones who contribute the most gross profit. These are the ones you need to really look after. Keep your focus, say, on the top 5 or 10. To see what your customers are buying, simply click on the customer name. This is now filtered on just one customer. Most of the preset favourite reports are set to show this financial year. To see a different time period, click on the date icon. Let's choose the last 3 months. Save this as a new favourite, and each time you reopen it, it will always show the last 3 months relative to that date. The best way to generate cash flow is to keep a tight handle on your receivables. The accounts receivable dashboard lets you always have these details at your fingertips. Know who owes you the most money and how much of that is overdue. It also shows the state of your total receivables. The orange, red and blue are all over 90 days overdue and show there's a real problem. Focus your collection efforts on the largest amounts that are overdue using the AR receivables favourite. Sort the over 90 days column and chase them first. You have the contact name and phone number right there, so no more excuses. Always keep on top of your costs. Set budgets and report on them. Focus on the largest variances. Understand which area is over budget by drilling down to the individual GL accounts. Understand when the variance arose by drilling down to see months. Find the actual transactions causing the problem. Use jobs in MYOB to break down the costs for specific projects or to track client profitability if you are selling services. Run a mini P&L by job to see how each project, client or group of projects are tracking. Run a job profit by month to see the net profit loss by job each month. Change the group by to customer or manager to compare performance. In the professional and enterprise editions, you can always click Excel to export any report to Excel. With BIforMYOB, you will have the tools to enable everyone in your team to know exactly what's happening in the business, so there are no surprises.